Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. On today's episode, I'm going to be talking about the JavaScript geolocation API. So before I proceed into talking about what the geolocation API is, please, I want you guys to do me a favor. I want you guys to subscribe. Please subscribe to my channel. You can't just come to my channel and watch a video and not subscribe. If you really enjoy the video, for me to continue creating more content like this, please endeavor to subscribe. Okay, you can just do it now. Just click on the subscribe button, it's there, and also click on the bell icon so you'll be among the first people that watch anytime I release a new episode. So back to the geolocation API in JavaScript. What exactly is the geolocation API? So the geolocation API is a JavaScript object API whereby you can use to get the user location data. So it's used to get the user location data, anything like the latitude, the coordinates, and so on. It's generally about getting the user location, everything that pertains to the location data of the user. So let me show you how to do it. You can see when I click here now, it brought out the longitude and latitude of my location, my current location. So let me show you how to do it. So I have done it here before, so I'm just going to take off this JavaScript and explain it one by one again. So yeah, I have a P class called notes and a button called geolocation. So first things first, to get the button, so I'll just say const btn. Let me just rename this get location to btn also, so which is equals to documents dot query selector okay. So you just add dot button. So just also get the P class, so just say const and let me name it notes. Say documents dot query selector and notes. So after doing that, the next thing we are going to do is add an event listener to this. So when you click here, it's going to bring out the information that we want. So this is how to do it. You just say button dot add event listener, which is a click event. So click and arrow function, which is this. So when we click, it's meant to bring out the information, but before that we are also going to create another function inside this function. So we are going to create about 2 functions in it. So to do that, you just say success. Let me first name this success. So give it a variable const success and say equals. So the argument I'll pass in it is just position. So I'll just do this arrow. So the next thing we are going to do is just to add const position chords latitude. Okay, before that, let me just say position. Let me remove this. For that, let me just say const log position. Then also for error, because I'm going to check for error too. So you just say const error. So you just say another function inside the function and say error. That's the argument that will be there. So this one to be error and error. So that's what is going to be inside here. Then the next step after this, creating this function, the next thing is to access the navigator. So I remember talking about navigator in one of my previous videos, so we are using navigator again now. So the navigator is used to access information about the browser. So when I click navigator and say dot geolocation, then when I click geolocation, there are different kind of APIs you can get from geolocation, but we are going to be using the get current position, which gets the user's current position, or let me say the browser's current location. So just say get current position, and this get current position accepts about 3 error, which is success, error if there's a success, if there is an error, and null. But we are not going to be using that null, it's just 2 arguments we are using, which is the one that we would say success and error. So we are going to just say success, error. So that's that. So when we click here, so let's open the inspect tab. So when we click here, okay, I think there's an error. Okay, this is the error here. Okay, I'll fix that. So let me reset this, because you cannot access the user location unless the user permits you to do that. So when you refresh, you click, so you have to say allow. When you click allow this time, you see down here it provides the information, the latitude, the longitude, altitude, the accuracy, how accurate the data is, and timestamp, time we checked this. So that's the information it produces when you click on this. And also, assuming we didn't accept the allow you to access our location, let me reset this again, and if I reload, and you say, if I click, okay, if I click on it again, say use your location, if I say never allow, see user denied geolocation, that means the user didn't allow us to access the location. So that's that. So now let me try to display the information we have on this place over here. So we'll just say notes dot in HTML equals position okay, all right, okay, that's position dot quads. So quads dot latitude and plus BR, I say plus. So let me just copy this part and just change this part to longitude. Oh, remove this and this, change it to longitude. So when you refresh, okay, and you click here, you can see I have the longitude and latitude. So that's that about the get current position in geolocation API. There are other API in it which I'll be talking about in future videos that I'm going to make. I'm also going to make a video which talks about how to add, like check the user location directly on a map. So if you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe, and leave a comment if there is anything that is not clear to you about the video. And as always, see you in the next video. Bye.